So then, it's ticking really badly.
Yeah. So your 240 is doing this. It's been doing it since I bought it. Common issue on S13s, some S14s too. Nissan put an extra 2 timing chain guides on the upper chain. It's really dumb, and they end up clacking everywhere. So we're going to show you how to do it, how to
get rid of them.
Hopefully get rid of that sound. Yeah. For now though, I think I'm only going to remove the upper one, because the lower one you got to take the front cover off for, and then I don't have a timing light, so I don't feel like retiming it or anything. I couldn't mark it, but that's too much work for today. I got too much shit going on.
Yeah.
So we're just going to take the valve cover off. There should be just 2 bolts holding it down, and it's just a little guide that you just got to take off. I can show you where the lower one is too.
Okay.
Alright, so there's about 13 bolts on the bell housing,
Wow.
I've been taking apart transmission so much.
I know.
You got about 13, 14 bolts on the valve cover. So undo those, take those off, and then you take your wires off. I don't think I'm going to. I don't think I have to. And then take the PCV hose off. What the hell? Dude, I got a really clean motor.
Oh my gosh.
This is really nice.
Okay.
That is what your motor is supposed to look like. Wait, what the hell?
What?
Dude, timing chain guide. Whoa!
It's off?
That shit's broken.
No.
Bro, I swear to God. Where the hell is that thing at?
Well, this one I turned for the worse.
This is a great video, guys. 'Cause I haven't done this.
So, when you take off the valve cover, make sure you have an extra gasket. Because you don't want to reuse a gasket. Unless you're Zain and just don't care.
I have a new gasket.
Oh, then why'd you say you didn't?
I don't know.
So yeah, make sure you have a new gasket.
This is really weird, guys. It kind of annoys me because now I want to figure out what the hell the rattle is coming from.
Guess it wasn't the timing chain guide. Oh yeah.
That's what the timing chain guide is normally on. And you got one right here, and then you have another one inside here, which I don't see either. It's really weird.
It's nice and tight.
Yeah.
Mine is loose.
So
oh yeah, yours is nice and tight. Mine is loose. Okay, there's 2 bolts.
2 bolts that go right here, and you got a tensioner that's pretty much like a flat piece of metal, kind of, that goes right here. That should have been there.
Zain's broke.
I don't know where mine's at.
Zain's only came with that piece right there. Hold on, it's focusing. What? It's not focusing. Wait. There you go. Zain's only came with that for some weird reason.
I don't know why.
His
and it kind of scares me, but we're gonna send it because it's been running like that the whole time. Yeah. I don't think it just recently broke off or anything like that. And then there's also supposed to be one down here.
Wait.
It's gonna be sitting like right down there.
Oh yeah, it's not gonna be able to pick up on the camera. Yeah. But you know.
And it's just a little guide. You don't need them or anything.
Yeah.
They're unnecessary. And people that do timing kits on these don't even put them back on.
They break, as you can tell. Zain's broke, and then it rattles like his is rattling.
Yeah. So.
And then you want to put the 2 bolts back on with no timing chain guide.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's pretty much all you got to do.
And then just put the valve cover, take the old valve cover off, gasket, And then put the new valve cover gasket on.
Gasket on.
Not recording.
Alright, make sure when you put your gasket back on, make sure you put some RTV, just some gray silicone RTV or whatever you want on here. Even black silicone, it doesn't really matter, honestly. But that'll keep the cam, I don't know what they're called.
It'll just keep it.
There's cam something, cam plugs or something like that.
And that's pretty much how you take off the timing chain guide.
Yeah, if you have one, luckily you probably do. I don't for some weird reason.
Zane's broke off clearly.
I don't know where it's at and why my car ticks, but I've been to a couple drift events and we've been fine for now. For now.
Yep, you just draw something.
I don't care. Yeah, but pretty much just massage the gasket in here, make sure it's nice and seated. Put your valve cover back on. And you probably don't have your spark plugs actually in, like me. So you don't gotta worry about lining everything up.
Is there a specific way to tighten the valve cover?
When you tighten the valve cover on, just go inside out and just torque it evenly, I guess.
Yeah.
There isn't too much you gotta worry about. It's not a head or nothing like that, but just do make sure you tighten it on evenly, and it doesn't need to be on that tight. Like I said, it's just a valve cover.
Yep. See you guys next time.
See you later.